Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and today we're talking about the Stage 1 kit bundle. Hey, Kyle, what's in that Stage 1 kit bundle? Well, thanks for asking, Kyle. Two things. We're talking about the Jammer cold air intake and the Edge Evolution CTS2 touchscreen tuner. Both of these bad boys are designed to work well with each other. They are going to come to you in one box, and if you get them together exclusively at Midwest Aftermarket, bang, you're going to be saving $50 delicious dollars. Let's talk about that cold air intake. Now, you know it's going to give you more airflow. You know it's going to be better for your engine. As a matter of fact, it's going to probably help that engine last a whole lot longer. Kind of makes you wonder why the boys at the factory don't throw a cold air intake on there. I'll tell you why, because they might not have the good old-fashioned American ingenuity that Midwest Aftermarket does, okay? Talking about putting good old-fashioned American elbow grease inside of your car. Making an American baby, okay? Better performance is what that's going to give you. Better fuel economy, and like I said, better for engine longevity. Look, I'm all about the truth, but I'm not all about talk. Let's put our money where our mouth is and open this box up. Whoocha! 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 Look at this. Ah! I'm just kidding. It's not that heavy. Look at the size of this right here, okay? This is going to be your cold air intake. Look at that. Look at the size of that tube. Think about all that sucking. It's like prom night. All that sucking the cold air through that tube. I'm talking about opening that vehicle up, hitting the good old road, not having to worry about the car and the engine breaking down as quickly because you got this piece of American ingenuity inside of your vehicle. Take a look at that bad boy right there, huh? Oh, it's so sexy, I want to kiss it. Mwah. I want to take it out to a delicious steak dinner and kiss it right on the mouth. Which one's the mouth? I don't know. I'm going to have to kiss every hole looking for it. You know what I'm saying? Now, I've already told you about this. What about that tuner, that Edge Evolution tuner I was telling you about? Holy snap, there it is. Oh, look at this bad boy. First of all, one thing that you're going to notice is it's got a touch screen, okay? So it's easy to work. It's just like your iPhone, your Android, your Windows phone. If you're a moron, it's going to be super, super easy right there. Now, what does this tuner do, Kyle, besides having a sweet look and making me look like I'm Knight Rider from the future? I'll tell you, big boy, okay? If you got a diesel vehicle, this thing is going to add 180 horsepower to your ride and 440 foot-pounds of torque. If you got a gas car, or a gas vehicle, I should say, it's going to add 50 horsepower and 50 foot-pounds of torque. And again, these two are designed to work well together. You're going to want them both. And by bundling them together, like I said, you're going to save a cool $50. That's a grant, my friend, okay? That's Taco Bell for at least 50 nights in a row because Midwest Aftermarket has your back. Let's talk about the different settings for this tuner. Let's talk about the eco setting. It's going to improve the amount of miles per gallon that you get, saving you even more delicious taco money. It's got a towing setting. It's going to increase your torque. It's got a performance setting. It's going to increase your horsepower, making all the girls squeal as you cruise on down that good old-fashioned American strip to the mom-and-pop hot dog shop. And of course, on some vehicles, it's got the extreme setting. It's going to make you feel like a hardcore wrestler at the turn of the century wearing a crimson mask, holding the gold, 8 pounds of gold above your head. All of this could be yours right now at MidwestAftermarket.com. What are you doing? Why don't you stop the video yet? Why don't you head on over to the website if you have any questions? As always, you can pick up the phone and give us a call. Of course, you want to hear our sexy voices. And you want to hear that sexy hum of your motor as you hit the open road, and you can be the man that you've always known you can be. You just needed a little help, and that help is inside of this right here, that Stage 1 kit bundle. Pick it up right now. I'm Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and we will see you next time.